So this is probably gonna be one of the biggest releases of the year, if not the biggest release of the year. It's the Lost and Found Air Jordan 1. What's up, y'all? It's your favorite sneakerhead and the Bronx baddie, Ashley Hall, coming through with another episode of Rate 'em on Revolt. I'm not even gonna hold y'all, let's get straight into it. So first things first, when it comes to quality, I feel like Jordan Brand really did their thing with the materials. I feel like the leather is really good, super soft. I love the crack detailing as well. But in terms of that overall quality, I'm gonna give this shoe a 5 out of 5. The Lost and Found shape is gonna be more like the 1985 release. We have distressed and aged detailing throughout the shoe, including a cracked leather collar, mid-panel and toe, as well as an aged outsole and scuffs across the packaging. Then we have our key Chicago details with a white leather upper, white nylon tongue and red overlays, as well as a black swoosh and collar. The tongue tag is red with white Nike branding, a white midsole and red outsole to finish the details off. The mismatched box top and vintage-inspired invoice to be included with every pair are the icing on the cake. In terms of details, I'm gonna give this a 5 out of 5. In terms of desirability and hype, this is probably the biggest release of the year, and y'all already know how it's gonna go. So we haven't seen a Chicago release since 2015 at this point. Key colorways, the desirability and hype for this shoe are literally through the roof. We've been looking at this shoe pretty much all year at this point. So in terms of desirability and hype, I'm gonna give this shoe a 5 out of 5. As far as originality, this is as original as you can get. This is the original colorway, and we're now paying homage to the 1985 release in this way. A job well done. As far as originality, I'm gonna give this shoe a 5 out of 5. When it comes to the story, Jordan Brand really went in with every detail of this release. From the box to the materials, this release is painting a vivid picture of finding a set of Chicago ones deep in the basement of a mom and pop shop. As far as the story, I'm gonna give this shoe a 5 out of 5. For the 2022 release, the Lost and Found Air Jordan 1, I'm gonna give this shoe an overall 5 out of 5. I feel like the details, the materials, the desirability and hype, story, originality with this being the original colorway of the Air Jordan 1 release, I feel like Jordan Brand really did their thing. So this shoe is well deserving of that 5 out of 5 rating. Thanks for tuning in to this episode of Rate 'em here on Revolt. Let me know down below how you would rate the Lost and Found Air Jordan 1.